the town, it climbs the mountain and looks down on the sea. In sleeping time or waking time, that's where I long to be, to roam again the quiet streets, the place I grew a man, with the boys of Bornesroide who hunted for the ran. With cudgels stout we roamed about in search of the droiline. We'd look for birds in every furze, from Litter to Dooneen. We'd jump for joy beneath the sky. Life held no print or plan for the boys from Bornesroide who hunted for the ran. And when the hills were bleeding and the rifles were aflame, to the rebel homes in Kerry the Saxon strangers came, with the boys who bait the Auxies and who beat the black and tans, were the boys of Bornesroide who hunted for the ran. Here's a toast to them tonight, the boys who laughed with me by the groves of Carn River or the slopes of Bannity. John Dolly and Bat Andy and the Sheehans, Con and Dan, were the boys of Bornesroide who hunted for the ran. And now they toil on foreign soil where they have gone their way, deep in the heart of London town or over on Broadway. And I am left to sing their deeds and praise them while I can, those boys of Bornesroide who hunted for the ran. And when the wheel of life runs down and death comes over me, just lay me down in that old town between the hills and sea. I'll take my sleep in those green fields, the place my life began, with the boys of Bornesroide who hunted for the ran.